senior in EE472. And
my name is Loua, and also a senior in EE472.
Alright, so first question is, how did you guys approach the manual portion of the course?
well, we decided to think of a new controller, and it's actually a funny story because I bought my Xbox through Craigslist, and I got the helicopter controller free with it, and so we decided maybe we could just use that, and then we got the actual joystick off the website as a backup plan. But then it turned out that we could use the Xbox controller, and we just open it up and then find each potentiometer and connected each wire to it, and then had it work.
So then, how did you do the autonomous part?
Well, for the autonomous, we tried, first we tried just using counts, like a timer, and that didn't work too well. So we tried using velocity to determine how far it would go, and that worked well in the lab, but once you brought it down to HRAM, like, velocity did not work very well at all. So we tried using the camera to like position it, and the camera sometimes worked and sometimes didn't work. So in the end, we just ended up using the timer and just like doing trial and error and changing that to make it work.
The creativity portion.
Okay, so I first thought of it when I was chasing the drone, and someone saw me and they were like, "Are you moving with the drone?" And I was like, "No, I'm just trying to catch it." And from there I was like, "Oh, I guess we could like do some sort of dance with the drone." And then we like thought of a song and we thought of movements for the drone. But once we actually implemented the movements, the drone moves really fast and it's really agile, and I was like, I don't think I can move that well with the drone. So we just ended up doing the music with the drone and timing it manually that way.
Yeah, he kept insisting to dance with the drone. He wanted to dance with the drone, and I kept saying that people want to see the drone, not you. So yeah.
Alright, so in terms of the course, what was the most difficult thing about it?
I think lap 2.
Yeah, definitely lap 2.
Yeah. And it wasn't fun. Maybe that's why it was hard. Because lap 4 was hard too, especially the autonomous. But it was fun. I mean, especially we had the drones, we had to play with it, so it was fun. But lap 2 was definitely the hardest part.
Yeah, in lab 2 we had to like learn C, essentially like all the main C stuff, like the arrays and the pointers and doing structs and all that. We had to learn all that in lab 2, and we had to learn how to use all the stuff on the make board and make it all work. And it was just like, it was way more work than I expected.
I guess it was too much for one lap.
Yeah.
So then, in terms of the actual ar.drone, how did that help you, or did that make it more difficult?
Well, for the first time I actually enjoyed going to class and then going to lab, doing the lab. So I guess it was a good experience.
Yeah, it was actually pretty fun, like actually implementing the stuff and seeing the drone do what you want it to do, and you actually controlling it with your own controller. I thought that was really interesting.
Not fun. Yeah.
Yeah.